Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm gonna show you how to pin someone on Snapchat application. If you follow the video till the end, and by the end of the video, you will learn how to pin someone on Snapchat application. Now make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now one of the most important thing is make sure that you have updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. Now make sure to update it to the latest version, only then the feature will be available on your device. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So open the Snapchat application. Now on the home page, right in the bottom on the lower left corner, on the second option there is chat, just tap on it. So next on the home page, what you have to do is, now you have to select the person that you want to pin. Now all you have to do is just long press on the user ID. So as you can see, as soon as I long press on it, there is another pop-up window. So from here, what you have to do is tap on the second option, that is chat settings, just tap on it. So once again, there is another pop-up window. Here you can see there is list of different options. Now on the second option, there is pin shortcut to home screen, just tap on it. And all you have to do is just tap on add, which is right in the bottom. And all you have to do is tap on done. Now go back to your home page. Now here, as you can see, this certain person has been added to my home screen, and this is how you can pin someone on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.